Hello, Shagil speaking. Welcome to my another problem solving tutorial. So today we are going to solve this problem. This is maximum average subarray. So what the problem is saying, you need to understand first. So it's saying that there is a given array and you have to find the contiguous subarray. You have to create some subarrays based on your parameters. Say if you consider this num and k, the subarray should be 4, contiguous 4. It cannot be like 3, 2 or 1. You need to create subarray, but it must be 4 if you give the parameter 4, not 2, not 3, not 1, not 2, not 3, not anything else. Okay, it must be 4 if you give the parameter of 4. I have given parameter 4. You see, I have given the parameter 4 here. So what the parameter you are giving, subarray should be contiguous. So you cannot take scatteredly, like you cannot take 12, 15, 3, 8. You cannot take it scatteredly. You need to contiguous. It must be one after another. Okay. So in the first iteration, what we need to do, the first iteration, it should be first contiguous 4 subarray, and the second iteration it will be, this is called sliding window algorithm problem solving. Okay, it will slide the window like that. So first of all, it should be 1, 12, minus 5, minus 6. The second iteration, it will be 12, minus 5, minus 6, and 50. The third iteration, the contiguous array subarray will be minus 5, minus 6, 50, and 3. And after it, three or fourth iteration, it should be 6. It will develop like that way. Okay, after every iteration, it will be consecutive 4 subarrays. So how we can attain this? This is sliding window algorithm. The window will slide like that way. First of all, it should be that, then that, then that, then that, then that, like that way it will update. Okay, so how we can avail this, how we can make ourselves successful to progress the slide. It should be like that. We need to you see, in the first iteration what we are doing, the first iteration initialization will get the number of 2. How it is to say 1 plus 12 minus 1 plus 12 minus 5 minus 6, and the result will be 2. And you have to start your calculation from this 2. You see, it will update the current sum, and current sum minus 1 plus 1 plus 50. So in the second slide, it will reduce minus 1 and plus 50. You see, minus 1 will be 1 will be minus and 50 will be added. So in the next iteration, what will it will do? It will make minus 12 plus 3. In the next iteration, what it will do? It will make minus 5 plus 18, like that way. Every details are given over here. If after coding, if you come here, the problem will be crystal clear. You will understand to full extent. Okay, so first iteration, second iteration, and after first iteration, what is happening over here? See, the first iteration, the car sum, the subarray will be like that, on 12, which I have shown you. After the first iteration, the subarray will be like that. After the second iteration, the subarray will be like that. After third iteration, it will be like that. After fourth iteration, it will be like that. After fifth iteration, it will be like that. And after sixth iteration, it will be like that. And another thing it will do, it will create the base sum. And base sum is by mathmax. Every time it is updating, which is on the maximum value, right? 2 and among 2 and 51, it is 51. Among 65, 74, it is 74. Among 51, 52. Okay, you will understand, no problem. So let's dive into the code. So var maximum average subarray equal to function, and it should be two parameters, nums and k. Okay, I have taken the parameters from this problem. You see there are two parameters, nums and k. Okay, and let's create current sum equal to nums. We need to slice it. It will start slicing from 0 up to k, and we should reduce it to find out the first result. Reduce say a b, a plus b, and it will start from 0. Okay, now we need to create base sum. It will update several times. Okay, and why we are taking current sum and base sum? Because we need to compare it several times. You see, we are comparing it. This is the best sum among 50 on 60, which is on is best. Among 50 on 42, which one is best? Best means which one is larger, which one is best. That's why for comparing purpose we need both. Okay, so best sum equal to current sum. So for, let's run a loop, I, it will start from 1 less than nums dot length minus k plus 1 and I plus plus. So update the current sum. So what is happening over here? You see the current sum. Say this is the num length. So what is happening over here? You see it will be like that. Okay, it is happening over here. Nums dot length. Nums means how many? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I mean nums length equal to 8 minus k. K means 4 plus 1 plus 1. So what would be the result? 9. It will be 5. It will have 5 the length. The loop will iterate up to 5 times. Okay. Okay. So car sum equal to car sum. I will update it minus nums I minus 1 plus nums I plus k minus 1. It is almost like a formula. Okay. And all the explanations are given over here. Now you will understand very easily. Okay, cut sum and update the base sum. Base sum equal to mathmax, JavaScript built-in function mathmax. It will compare between base sum and cut sum. Okay, we are done, and we need to return the finally base sum. Return base sum, and here to find out the average we should be divided it by 4. Okay, we are done, and let console.log maximum Subarray equal to nums. Okay, so give the two parameters. I am doing bit different. What the parameters it is given here, I am doing it with another example that will make you understand easily. Okay, to have a good understanding. I think we are done. So let's see Node 6.4. Yeah, it's getting 18.5. So let's jump into the examples once again. So in the first iteration, initialization, we are getting the number 2. We are getting the number 2. And in the first iteration, as it starts from 1, so 1 means it will create a subarray. Okay, the subarray will be, first subarray will be 1, 12, 5, 6. Okay, and current sum will be num minus 1. I mean num is num I means 1 minus 1, so it will be 0. So what is in the 0 position? 0 position means 1. Okay, and second on nums I means 1 plus k equal to 4 minus 1 means 4. So what is in the fourth position? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will minus 1 and plus 50. You see, that is happening over here. So 2 is coming from the previous current sum, and it will minus 1 and 50. It will become 51. The second iteration, so it is 2. So 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So what is the on position? On position means 12. 12 will be minus, and 1 plus k, I mean, so 1 plus k means 4. 4 minus 1, I mean 5 minus 1 equal to 4. So what is in the fourth position? Oh, sorry, I have done the plus. Okay, 12 will be minus, 3 will be plus. The sixth iteration it is happening. Okay, so by this way it will update, and in the third iteration similarly these things are happening. The next iteration the server will be like that, and here you will deduct I equal to 3. Third iteration, what is third iteration? Fourth iteration, here I will be 3, so you should 3 minus 1, or I can give you the exact same thing. So current sum will be 42. Okay, so 42 minus num1 is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. So what is position 2? 0, 1, 2. -5 will be here. Okay, it will be -5. And what will be here? Nums on. Nums on means 3 plus k. K means 4 minus 1. So 7 minus 1 equal to 6. So it is in the 6th position. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18. 18 will be minus, plus. You see, exactly same thing is happening over here. So by this way, it will update the current sum and base sum. And base sum is comparing the current sum and base sum. So if you try to, after coding, if you try to understand this, you will get everything in a crystal clear way. And finally, what is happening over here? We are finding the base sum. So say, what is the base sum? So here we are getting 2, so it will not be the base sum. It is 51. We are getting the highest number. I mean, base sum means the highest number among 2 and 51. 51 is base, so it's updating 51. Here, sorry, here 51, highest number will be 51, and in here 51 and 65, it will be 65, and here 65, in between 65 and 74, it will be 74, and here 74 and 32, it will be 74. So highest number is 74. So 74, if you find out the average, you should be divided by 4, and if you divide it by 4, you will get it 18.5. This is the ultimate answer. Okay, 18.4. So there is a question may arise, why we are doing sliding window algorithm is because if you apply brute force or any other algorithm, it will not be time efficient. So that's why sliding algorithm is applicable here. So you're learning two things: how to solve this problem. You're learning another algorithm, that is sliding window algorithm. So two things are learned over here. So if you understand, then give me a big thumbs up. If you don't understand, go to the comment section and comment what's your problem you're now facing, challenging. Then I will try my best to give you the answer. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned. And it is happening. Big O of N.